The train hopper here. Welcome to Lenzie on the Edinburgh to Glasgow line via Falkirk. You'll see services by Scotrail only. This is a 385 that brought us in for Glasgow Queen Street. It's because I want to keep an eye on some other 385s, and this is my first time. I want to look inside, guys. This is really cool. Next station will be Croy in there. Alright, I can't wait to get this departing. Guys, you might want to listen to this sound. This sounds pretty cool. We'll wait till it departs. There's a baby stroller over there, that's why. Oh, just departing this, the 385 service to Alloa. Service to Alloa. Calling at Croy, Aberdeen, Stirling and Alloa. So we got here about 10:29, we're waiting for 11:01. Service to Alloa. One service to Dunblane. Okay. Takes about an hour. Wait. Right, guys. The next one is the 11:01 service to Dunblane, and we'll probably, and also we're gonna actually wait until we're see if we can try to get lots of fast trains. Okay, let's just pause it again. Okay, just upon there's the 385 service to Alloa from Glasgow Queen Street. Yeah, it's a slight delay. Slight delay. 3566. But 20 minutes until a Glasgow Queen Street one arrives. We'll get plenty of fast trains. I hear something. Hey guys. Nice straight track. Okay, just about past by. It's going to be a 385, I think. Yes, it's a 385. 385. 385. Okay, it's 353. 117. Just about past by is going to be next train. It should be a 170, 380, or 385, or 365. Oh.
Right, okay, alright, well, okay then. Right, okay, right, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, we'll get something else. But I thought that was a really nice gesture. Yep, Jack, Mummy says that she's got another headset.
Okay, just about past. Today is going to be another 385 or a 170. Is that a 385 over there? I think it is. Yep, definitely a 385. Let me zoom in to see if that's a 385.
Please stand clear of the platform edge. Fast train approaching.
I think that's definitely a 385.
That's going super quick.
385. Okay, this one's to Edinburgh. 385. 115. 385. Double weight. There's a train expected at 10:52, guys, so we'll just see if there's any more fast trains coming, if we might see one. Okay, guys. Also, welcome to Lenzie, or if you're Gaelic, then Dia. I can't even see these Gaelic words. It's kind of weird, guys. If you're somewhere as Gaelic, you should probably speak Gaelic there. Probably in Scotland. I don't know. Let's continue with our filming. Okay, just about to arrive in. This is service from, I'm going to have to say Alloa to Glasgow Queen Street.
This is the customer information announcement.
We're gonna stay at the spot just in case. Oh, there's a right. Also about to
Right.
pass by.
You need to stay back a bit. Okay.
Also about to pass by is going to be another train. I bet it's the one from Aberdeen. It's the one. There's a 170. Oh, it's a 170 service to. I think that's going to Aberdeen or Inverness.
Okay.
170. This one's going from Glasgow to Aberdeen. 170 450. And just a bit of vibing is the 170 from Stirling to Glasgow Queen Street. One 418. Oh, hiya. Bellum train's here.
Which one's this?
It's 17418, just to spell them. We actually captured a 385. We got a 385 here. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna. This one's going to Glasgow Queen Street. This is probably from Stirling. Okay. Just a part now is a 170 service from Stirling to Glasgow Queen Street.
Quite a lot, haven't we?
Yeah, we felt quite a lot. Okay. There it goes. Oh, another train's about to pass by. Next train pass by, I'm going to have to keep it rolling because there's another train about to pass by. 17418 from Stirling.
Right, just stay back a bit. Perfect.
I'm going to keep it rolling for another fast train, guys, so we'll keep it going. Okay, this might be... The trains over here go really fast, guys. Did you know? It's another 385.
Please stand clear of the platform edge. Fast train approaching.
385. Service from Glasgow Queen Street to Edinburgh.
Stay back a wee bit. That's it.
385. Oh, 12 and 385. 103. 385 103 and 385 1012. The train to Dunblane has been delayed by approximately 6 minutes, guys, so we'll have to wait till 6 minutes until this train arrives. Another train's about to pass by. Is going to be a 385, or I don't know that's a 385 or not. We'll have to find out. We'll have to find out, guys, what the next train on platform 2 is. Okay, this is probably a 170. This is probably 170 or 385. Oh yeah, it's a 385. 385. It's 385. 114 and 385. 007. Guys, I got to tell you something. This station is kind of quiet. No, 1, service 2. 8 minutes. Next one's delayed by approximately 8 minutes. So we'll be able to get lots of fast trains, guys, at Lenzie. That's a lot of trains that take a long time in December. So Happy New Year. We'll upload the videos on 1st and 2nd of January, and we'll do Haymarket Station on we'll upload the Haymarket video on the 2nd of January. And we'll upload this one at 1st of January. We'll upload this video of the 1st of January. The Haymarket one will be uploaded on the 2nd of January. Then a Dublin service has been cancelled. I am so angry.
It'll be specified.
It's delayed due to a train fault, guys, so we'll have to wait until the fast train comes by. Guys, so this train's been cancelled due to a train fault. So I'm now angry about it. I'm now angry. Apparently, Lenzie train station is going to be the quietest. And there's a dog worrying one of his train will arrive. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, this green light's been standing there for half an hour. I bet Haymarket's got some good trains. Yeah. Guys, just to let you know that the next train LOS take 11:33, so this could take quite a long time. Just about to pass by is going to be another train. Another train is going to be passing by. Like next train is not stopping at this station. Hey Angus, there's a fast train coming. There's a 3 to 5. Oh, okay, it's 3 to 5.
Just a wee touch, son. That's you, perfect.
3 to 5. Double wait, 3 to 5. 1, 1, 1, 5. And I'm gonna keep it willing for another fast train. Well, with Angus here, that was a fast train.
I think he was just a bit curious.
He was like, wow.
What, son?
Just passing through on platform 2. I think that's another 3 to 5. We'll be capturing lots of 3 to 5s. Okay. 385. I'm gonna stand right here. Okay, that's going really slow, I think. Oh, it's going really fast. Three, 5, 8, 3, 5, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 9. Now it's raining. Okay guys, there should be a fast train coming. Would you like to have a look at the destination board really quick? Services finish earlier, 31st of December. No services 1st of January. However, Horley services between Queen Street and Croy only. Check our website or
Yeah, I can see it.
web,
Yep.
check our website or app. If something isn't right, text British Transport Police on 61016. Just about to pass by is going to be another train. A service bound for Glasgow Queen Street, probably from Inverness or Aberdeen. We'll figure out. Oh, oh, there's another train coming. It's another fast one. I think that's a 156 or a 158.
Carly's fine. She spent Christmas with us with me when she was so.
Oh my God, that might be a that might be a HST we're just passing through.
You know that
And passing through is a 170 bound for Edinburgh Waverley. Oh my God, that's a HST.
Oh, right, so stand back.
Oh, it's a not in service. What not in service? 17415. That's a HST. Whoa! That's a class by feet. It went by. Just about to pass by. We got another fast train.
What is it, son?
We got another fast train.
Another one coming,
Yeah.
yeah.
Just about to pass by. It's going to be a 385.
Please stand clear of the platform edge. Fast train approaching.
385. Yeah. Yeah. 3577. 35114. Oh, 35114. Just arriving there now is a 385 service to Glasgow Queen Street from Alloa.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can. These trains had faulty brakes before, guys. That was in October, but they're now back and running.
Right.
385.
I know exactly.
I know what the number 385 what is. That could be 35. I think that's the train I got. Oh. I thought I lost it. Okay, 385. 35118. No, 35110. Totally forgot about that one.
Mum just gets someone. Oh no, Jack, what did the board say?
Expected to arrive at 11:35. Delayed by 2 minutes. Delay.
Unacceptable, isn't it?
Extremely.
Yeah, well. So, is that the one we're going to get then, yeah?
I'm
Hopefully it's
listening
not
to try.
cancelled again.
But yeah, well, and then we're allowed to cancel the Haymarket one.
Yeah, we would, that's true. You beat me, stole my thunder there. Aye, so I think,
Okay, just spot now is the 385 service to Glasgow Queen Street from Alloa.
Go and see Great Grand. And I think that's it. And then I'm doing the West Highland Way with Dad and Gary.
That's her to the best. They keep getting away there.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. There it goes. See, there's a lot more 385s than you thought.
Yeah.
because it's all electrified now.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Watch out for that baby stroller. Okay, just about to pass by. It's gonna have to be quite slow, guys, because that 385 we just captured is just departed from the station. So we're gonna have to pause this one. That could be another 385. It's probably going slow or it's picking up speed because due to the last one it just departed. Oh.
Oh my goodness. Oh no, it's so cool. Is that another one? Is that going speeding through?
That's it. That's the fast one.
How you get left in your phone, Jack?
I've got lots of space.
Fuzzy mark itself.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get that HST back.
Probably. Oh no, that might be the one that keep from Edinburgh. So this one did stop. Okay, that's a 385. They're just going a little bit slow. 385. Oh wait, I think that's the cancel service. 385 104. I think that's not a cancel service. That's just a service from Edinburgh. Or Dunblane. Oh, I think it's just from Edinburgh.